Okay, so another lesson about factoring. So we have sum and difference of two cubes. So kapag meron tayong x cube plus y cube, ang factor niyan ay x plus y times quantity x squared minus xy plus y squared. Para madaling tandaan, ang first factor natin, takpan lang natin yung dalawang cube. So we have x plus y. Tapos yung second factor natin, nakabase yan dito, square the first term. So we have x squared minus product nitong x at y, so xy, and then plus square nitong last term y, y squared. So kung mapapansin nyo, kapag positive, yung negative natin nandito sa gitna. Tapos kapag negative naman, if we have x cube minus y cube, difference of 2 cube, so takpan, yung first factor, takpan nyo lang yung cube. So we have x minus y, tapos positive ito lahat. Parehas lang ito. So we have x squared plus xy plus y squared. So napalit lang, nagkabaligtad lang yung sign. Kapag sum of 2 cubes, positive ito negative. Kapag difference of 2 cubes naman, ito negative, itong isa naman positive. Itong y squared positive lagi. Okay? So yan yung formula natin para sa sum and difference of 2 cubes. So kunin natin itong example number 1. We have x cubed plus 8. So ang first step natin, isulat muna natin as sum of 2 cubes. Itong 8, pwede natin isulat itong 8 as 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8. So therefore, pwede natin isulat ito as x cubed plus 2 cubed. Okay? So now, i-apply na natin itong formula natin. So yung first factor natin, tanggalin lang natin yung exponent na cube. So ang first factor natin ay x plus 2. Okay? So ngayon kunin natin itong part na ito. So yung part na yan ay i-square natin itong first term, magiging x squared, minus product nitong x at 2, kaya 2x, plus square nitong 2. Square nitong 2, edi 2 square. So ibig sabihin, 2 times 2, we have 4. So ito na yung answer natin. Para sa number 1, we have x plus 2 times quantity x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so itry naman natin ang number 2. So we have c cubed minus 27. So ang 27, i-express muna natin yung 27 as cube. Cube ng anong number ito? So c cube minus ang 27, equal yan sa 3 cube. Kasi 3 times 3, that is 9. Times another 3, 27. Okay? So ngayon, i-apply na natin itong formula natin. Naka-express na siya as difference of 2 cube. So ang first factor natin ay, first factor, tanggalin lang natin yung exponent na 3. So we have c minus 3 times, square the first term. Okay, so square the first term, we have c squared, plus, i-multiply natin itong dalawa. So we have 3c, plus, square nung 3, 3 square. Or 3 square, idadiretso na natin, 3 square, that is equal to 9. So ito na yung final answer natin. We have c minus 3 times c squared plus 3c plus 9. Okay? So next example, number 3. So burahin ko na itong formula natin. Kabisado na dapat yan. So we have sum of 2 cubes ito, 27y cubed plus 125. So in 27, perfect cube ito. Ang 27, kaparehas nito. So 27, that is 3 cube. Okay, so pwede natin itong isulat as 3y and then cube. Quantity 3y cube. Pag dinistribute natin yung 3 cube, 27, and then we have y cube. So ito na yon. Ang 125, pwedeng isulat yan as tatlong 5 yan. 5 times 5, 25, times 5, 125. So equal ito sa 5 cube. Okay? So ngayon, i-apply na natin ang formula. Kapag plus, tanggalin lang natin yung cube. So we have 3y plus 5. Ito yung unang factor natin. Tapos, i-multiply pa natin sa square nitong 3y. So dito gagawin kong detailed kasi dalawa na to no? I-square natin itong 3y. So lagyan ko muna ng parenthesis, 3y square minus product nitong dalawa. So 3y times 5. Okay? Plus square nitong 5 we have 5 square. Okay, so ginawa lang natin detailed, tsaka natin i-simplify ngayon. Okay, so dito sa example 1 and 2, dinaretso na natin kasi wala namang coefficient yung first term natin, x cube tsaka c cube. So dito para malinaw, may 3 kasi ito, kaya dinetailed natin. Okay, so kopyahin lang natin itong 3y plus 5. Tapos ito, square na natin. Distribute natin itong exponent na 2, 3 squared, that is 9. And then we have y square. Distribute natin to, or multiply natin, 3y times 5, we have negative 15y plus 5 squared, that is equal to 25. So ito na yung final answer natin. Okay, so last example, we have 2x cubed minus 54y cubed. So paano naman kapag yung first term natin, tsaka yung second term pala, no? Parehas hindi perfect cube. Yung 2, hindi perfect cube yan. Ganon din ang 54. Hindi siya perfect cube. Pero, may common yung 2 tsaka 54. So, ibig sabihin, bago tayo mag-apply ng difference of 2 cubes, i-factor muna natin yung common. May common sila na 2. 2 tsaka 54, divide natin parehas sa 2. Or i-factor out natin yung 2. So, magiging siyang 2 times quantity x cube, pinactor out yung 2. Itong 54, i-divide natin sa 2, that is negative 27y cube. Okay? Parang kaparehas na siya neto. Kaparehas na neto yan. C cube minus 27. Ito yan, di ba? C cube minus 27, nagkaroon lang ito ng y cube. Parang inilabas lang natin yung 2. Okay? So, inilabas lang natin yung 2. So, therefore, magiging na siyang ganito. 2, i-factor natin yung, ito isulat natin as cube. As cube na itong 27 tsaka y. So, we have x cube minus itong 27, pwede natin gawin siyang 3y cube. Okay? I-apply na natin ang formula para dito. Same na same yan dito. Nagkaroon lang ito ng variable. X cube minus 3y. Nagkaroon lang ng y. Yung 27, no? So, i-apply lang natin tapos nagkaroon ng 2 sa labas. Ang first factor natin, takpan lang natin yung 3. So, we have x minus 3y. Okay? So, tapos yung second factor natin, o i-detailed ulit natin, i-square natin itong una. So, we have x squared minus or plus ito. Kapag negative ang formula natin, ito yung negative, positive lahat ito. So, plus, i-multiply natin itong dalawa. 3x times 3y, so we have 3xy, plus, i-square natin itong 3y. 3y square. Okay? So, i-simplify na lang natin. Ito na yung final answer natin. Kopyahin lang itong 2, tsaka x minus 3y. Tapos, ito, i-simplify lang natin itong part na to. So, we have x squared plus 3xy plus 3y squared. I-distribute lang natin yung exponent. 3 squared, that is 9. And then, we have y squared. So, ito na yung final answer natin. So, ang complete na factor nitong 2x cubed minus 54y cubed ay 2 times x minus 3y times x squared plus 3xy plus 9y squared. Okay, so itry nyo naman itong number 5 at i-comment nyo ang inyong sagot. Bye!